Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone 14 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, reach settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here just click on add new wallpaper. And you can choose one from your own photos. You can create photo shuffle, you can set emoji wallpaper, weather wallpaper, astronomy or color wallpaper. It's up to you. Here you've got the options, so you can either pick one from them or obviously customize it as only you wish, because you can choose your own emojis here, you can pick the layout. Also, it's the same with the weather and astronomy wallpaper, or you can smoothly go to your own photos and choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. And here you can also change the colors. For example, let me pick this one, and then just click on add. Now you can select if you wish to add it for both your lock and home screen, but you can also customize your home screen. Let me do it. So it can be the original, it can be blur. You can add just the color wallpaper here, or choose another photo, but let me choose the color wallpaper here. Tap on done, and then that's it. When you will go back, you'll be able to notice this brand new home and lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.